Hey guys, my name is Patricia and I am going to be trying Noom's weight loss program. What I want to do is walk you guys through the enrollment process with me. Let's dig into it. So right off the bat, you will notice with this very first question that Noom is not just a weight loss program. It is much more than that, but for our purposes, we are going to be sticking with the weight loss aspect of what they offer. So I want to pause again right here on this question because when it came up on the screen, it made me so happy. And the reason for that is because it showed me that Noom is an inclusive company, which is important to me, but it also shows me that Noom is looking at us as individuals. This is something else that is cool that I was not aware of. Noom does partner with health insurance companies to offer their services. So at this point, we are leaving the demographics section and we are moving into the weight loss goals section. In this section, we are going to be talking about what our goals actually are, what our urgency is in reaching those goals, what our priorities are in reaching those goals, and what we have tried historically as far as weight loss goes. So I was really pleasantly surprised by the behavioral profile section because it showed me that they're wanting to understand the why. So it's wanting to know what's worked for me, what hasn't worked for me. It's trying to understand what I have exposure to and how that plays into what my experience can be moving forward. So now we are moving on to eating and nutrition. A lot of these questions really open your eyes and make you sit and meditate on your behaviors or the circumstances that led you to the point that you're at right now. This section here is exactly what the title says it is. It is a holistic view. It talks about your aging, your metabolism, your stress, your movement. It goes into a lot of different subsections to get a more comprehensive holistic view of things. This next section, understanding behavioral changes, goes into what your expectations are coming out of this program, what your expectations are for the rest of your life, and what kind of accountability you have in place or that you feel will be effective for you in order to reach those goals. It also delves into what your understanding is of behavior changes, how much comprehension you have around that. And if you don't have a lot, that's totally fine. That's a non-issue, because those are things that can be learned. They're trying to get a feel for where you are and where you want to be at the end of the road. And here we are. Congratulations. We have made it to the end of the questionnaire that Noom asks to understand you on a personal level so that they can give you a custom personalized experience with their program, something that is catered to you to make sure that you are successful at the end of the day.